Hey guys, welcome back. For this video, I'm going to show you how to be always online on Slack. So if you're inactive on the Slack website or app for like 15 to 30 minutes, this status right here that says active will be set to away just like this. So if you don't want that to happen, I suggest that you actively use Slack for like even you just move your mouse for every 10 minutes to 15 minutes or something. But if you don't want to do that, you could download this auto clicker on SourceForge right here. So it basically just clicks your mouse. You can put a time interval for every click. So I say you could set it to every 10 minutes and it will just click once or twice. It's up to you. And you could start and stop it whenever you want. So if you're out and not in your computer or laptop, it will just automatically click and it will definitely set your active status to stay active or always online instead of away. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.